Welcome back, everyone. It's Wayne here for another diecast video. This video we're cracking open the Nissan Premium Hot Wheels set. So let's get started. It was a I'll show you. That's the back. The cars that are in it. And I'll just go through the front again. It's a pretty good thing that they've done. Yeah, it looks good just like that. But yeah, I don't collect boxes and I want them out, so that's what we do, is we get them out. Here's another look. For the people that will never get them out, this is what it looks like. Alright. Okay. So we're just getting the Datsun, the 510 wagon out. Once I can get rid of all this stuff. Alright, so I'll just get them all out first. And then we'll put them on the turntable and give you a look. They secure everything in well these days. Don't want people stealing things. They still do anyway. Just like people are not supposed to kill each other, but for some reason it still happens. And no, it's not the gun's fault. The gun is the innocent one. But everyone will still blame the gun. Okay, they're out. So I'll get one up in here for the moment. Get you a look at that whilst we're going around. So that's the Datsun, the 510 wagon. Which I think there's another one the same as that. They released another one the same. It was just a different colour, I think. Didn't have the Rail Riders on it. Make sure I've got it in my collection there. Good stuff. Tell you what, these little rubber band things are a pain in the bum to get off sometimes. Especially when you get them on the older stuff that's been sitting for 10-20 years. Okay, so that's the wagon, 510. And now we've got the L'Oreal 2000 SGX. in a maroon colour. Adjust the camera there. Looking good, that one. Alright. Next up is the Fairlady Z. It's in a basic white and a red. Very clean, no messy decals on it. Decals, tampos, whatever you want to call them. And then next up is the Nissan Aerolift. Okay, I'll stick that on there. Oh, I'll zoom out for that one. Out. There we go. There we go. So that's the yeah, that whole set. Yeah, the Nissan set, which I thought was pretty cool. Definitely a big boost to the Nissan collection, Nissan Datsun collection. I'll stick that on there and that on there. Hopefully everything doesn't fall off. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed that one. And yeah, I definitely need to get all these out there. I don't like leaving things in their boxes. Although you could just sit them back on it, put it back in, but a bit hard to keep them in one spot. I prefer them out where I can see them easy, both sides. And yeah. Anyway, so that was that. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the next video.